Today for psychic development, we are going to piggyback off of yesterday's exercise. If you missed that, go back and watch the last video that I posted. So you are going to use your intuitive empathic abilities to pick up on which chakra I am activating. And the way that you do that is you command to use my body or your body as a map for my body. So essentially we are all one unit having separate experiences in different bodies. So when you are using your empathic abilities, you are simply using your body as a guide to whose ever energy you are wanting to pick up on. Good rule of thumb and a good thing to do before you start this practice is to surround yourself in bright light that essentially protects the energy around you, and it clears the space so you are sure that you're picking up on the energy that you're commanding and you're not picking up on some random energy or anything else. So right now, do it with me. Surround yourself in a golden white light. Picture yourself inside of an egg, essentially, of white, golden, protective light, and command your space be clear of any interference whatsoever than what you are commanding. Pause this video when needed to take time to do this if you're not able to do it on command, but really just by listening to my voice and just thinking of what I'm saying, you are doing it. Just intend. It's really not that complicated. The human mind wants to complicate things and tell you that you have to do things like a certain way and it has to be all complicated, but really it's just not. This is how you use your mind to command your energy. Next, after you have surrounded yourself in the golden light, like I have just instructed you to do, now you intend to connect to my energy. My name is Lindsey Latham, and all you do with that is think to yourself or say out loud, I command to connect with Lindsey Latham's energy for the intention of picking up on this empathic exercise. Now, drop into your body. You drop into your awareness. It will help you if you close your eyes and then bring your awareness to your inner body. You're not paying attention to anything outside of your body. Everything is within. All of the answers are in there. Pay attention to what part of your body you're being drawn to on the inside. If any colors come to you, those are helpful hints also, because there are colors correlated with every chakra. Everyone's experience is going to be different. I don't want to tell you how you're going to feel. It's going to show. That's for you to decide, and that is for your own experience. So, and I would like to know what comes up for you, so you can put that in the comments. But what chakra am I activating and what color is coming to you? Now make sure you pause the video because I'm going to reveal here in a second. All right, here I go. So it's the root chakra. The color correlated with it is red. Let me know what your experience was, how you did on the exercise. Have a good day.